everyone, it's about 8 o'clock right now, and we are on our way to pick up La Gringa Cuber, or Alyssa Bell, to go cubing around the world in Walt Disney World's Epcot in Orlando, Florida.
Okay, as a disclaimer, my hands are cold, so I can't really say for sure, but I think I like the spark better and the sizing better, but it's pretty nice. I wonder, like, when my hands are warmed up, what kind of time I get on it.
They do a great job tensioning it. That's one thing. No matter what they lube it with, the tensioning is always really good with the cubicle.
Yeah, so far I haven't had any lockups or pops.
Life lesson, never say it doesn't pop, because most likely the turn after will pop if you say it. Okay, so now we're in the parking lot of Epcot. It's about 8:35. I don't know how 30 minutes went by in like 2 seconds, but it did. We don't actually know where we are right now, but I'm with Alyssa and Joshua. We're gonna try and find our way in. So here you go.
Let's go. Good girl. Fastest so far.
That's good. Done. Done. Oh my God. Good one. Just keep solving, just keep solving, solving. What do you do when you cannot do anything? Solve. And you have an adverb. And solve. Now we're gonna find the country. I think it's through there. That little hole right there, somewhere.
Oh, what is that?
It's a Rubik's Cube.
Oh, it's a game?
It's like a kind of. You try and solve as fast as you can. Like get all like the colors. So.
Sure.
Okay.
One,
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, that's amazing!
I already know what's happening. Josh, she's gonna let it go. Okay, so we just got done with the pictures with Elsa and Anna. It's bright out. Now we're gonna try and find something to eat. Where do you think we're gonna eat? From Norway or?
Food. Italian.
Italian?
Down for Italy.
Okay,
Yummy
yeah.
Pizza.
So we're gonna head to Italy. Here we go.
fun. We had 3 cut shots.
Yeah.
First off, this turn's pretty nice. It's got normal color scheme.
Remote you.
It's just a shape model, basically a 3x3.
It looks like a scoop. That's the thing I was always.
Yeah, it kind of looks
confused
like a scoop. I try to turn it like this, but it's actually.
It only turns like a 3x3.
Yeah,
But one of the problems is when you're turning, sometimes you hit your fingers on like the corner bit. Wait, do like half of a turn. Do a 45 degrees. Like if you look how sharp they are. If you're turning fast, it's really painful. But
you might.
Yeah.
You can maybe cut yourself out more.
But the turning's really blocky, but it's really smooth. So I do like that. I'll go next. This is the 1x3x3 Ghost Cube. Kind of looks like a star, and basically this is just a 1x1x3 but offset by a layer. So it's 2 turns. It's really flimsy because it's so small that it does have a chance of getting broken. So I'm gonna be kind of gentle with it. I'm gonna scramble mine up and next.
All right, here we have the 2-layer square one. It is very catchy.
It's like a calendar.
Check this out. Just spin the layer here. Let's go ahead and scramble this.
Okay, so it looks like a square.
Very
Basically just a square one.
It's very catchy and it feels like it's gonna pop. So 4 out of 10. So I have to give this a 3 out of 10. It's just, it's so.
2 minutes later, it's gonna be a 2 out of 10. 2, 1, go.
Whoa! You don't need to film when you do it. You don't even consider anything.
Really first.
Yeah.
What is Alyssa?
你谢谢有才盖中国站 Thank you for cubing in China.
Thank you. Thank you. No, I did it wrong.
So this day is complete. We have conquered the whole world. We've been here since 9 and it's 6 now and it's dark as you can see. I had a really fun time cubing with Andrew, my brother Josh. So yeah.
I had a really fun time hanging out with Andrew, my sister Alyssa. It's fun hanging out, cubing together, doing some competitions kinda. So yeah, it was a pretty fun time. I recommend.
Okay, so overall, favorite part of the day, go.
Favorite part of the day, honestly, probably hanging out with other cubers, honestly, interacting. What else?
Winning races.
Winning races.
Winning races. Mine was probably making the flags on the cubes. That was pretty fun. Some of them were not that good, like the Canada one just looked like a red H. That was really funny. But like they said, I mean, just being here in Epcot with other cubers. But this was really fun, and I highly recommend it if you're also a cuber.